Welcome to this one-of-a-kind penthouse here at Paraiso. Enticing the entire north side of this building, this penthouse is truly remarkable. Higher ceilings, 4-bedroom, and over 2,300 square feet. It's truly one of a kind. It's set up as 2 master suites, one overlooking the ocean all the way to Sunny Isles and one overlooking all of Miami. While having all of the great amenities of any high-rise here in Miami, the gyms, the pools, tennis court, you also have this beautiful rooftop pool overlooking Biscayne Bay all the way to the ocean. You won't find anything like this. Thank you for checking out this one-of-a-kind penthouse at Paraiso Bayviews. For any more information, please reach out anytime. I'm Ethan Pickett with the Bill and Brian team at Douglas Elliman. Thank you.